Today we're making borscht, a vibrant, flavorful beet soup loved across Eastern Europe. Start by preparing your vegetables. Peel and chop. 1 large beet, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 2 medium potatoes, 2 cups of shredded cabbage. In a pan, sauté the chopped onion and carrot in a tablespoon of oil until soft. Add the beet and cook for 5 more minutes. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste for extra depth. Meanwhile, bring a pot of water or vegetable broth to a boil. Add the diced potatoes and cabbage. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Now transfer the sautéed vegetables into the pot. Season with salt, pepper, bay leaf, and a splash of vinegar or lemon juice. It brightens the flavor. Simmer everything for 15 to 20 minutes until the veggies are tender and the soup turns a deep red color. Serve hot with a dollop of sour cream and sprinkle with fresh dill. Don't forget a slice of rye bread on the side. This is borscht, warm, earthy, and comforting. Perfect for any season, and even better the next day. Like and subscribe for more traditional recipes from around the world.